All right. Well, hopefully this isn't a giant disaster. It's talking. What? Here it goes. Woo!
Pretty neat.
The carnage. Look at this thing. Just explode.
Blew up on you.
Thing. All rotten up here. These are all widow makers.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
Any one of these things could have come down in a storm. It was so rotten.
Heck, just a good breeze would probably take some of it down. Boy, you went up just about all the way through, didn't you?
Here's my holding wood. Got about an inch.
About an inch.
Kind of had a little. Don't worry about this part. That was my fault. That was my fault. I thought for sure this thing would be rotten all the way through. It is solid.
Shoot up your wedges.
It is solid on the stump. I thought for sure it would be rotten here.